Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back.
Mass spectrum analysis is super fast once you know the trick. We will identify this element by calculating its average atomic mass in 3 steps. First, look at the peaks on the graph. We see 2 distinct isotopes at mass 69 and 71. These peaks represent the different versions of the atoms in our sample. Next, compare the heights of those peaks to find the abundance. The peak at 69 is taller, meaning it is more common than the isotope at 71 in this element. Finally, the average mass must be closer to 69. Checking the periodic table, gallium fits perfectly. That makes option A our final winner. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid rush and watch signs. Trust given data and check steps carefully.